everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the Realme X1 Max versus Poco X3 Pro device. And during this time, I'll try to use the 5 applications and 5 games, and in this mode I'll try to use the high performance mode in the Realme X1 Max device. And the main reason is because just a couple of hours ago I did do the similar kind of testing, but without using any kind of high performance. So if you watch this video, you will definitely understand. As you can see, friends, you can look at the thumbnail. So the Poco X3 Pro was able to open the games faster than the Realme X1 Max. Yes. So few of the users did ask me, can you please try the similar kind of application, same games, but try to use the high performance mode in the Realme X1 Max, and let's see how much impact the high performance mode can actually make in this video. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in here. And even I'm not sure exactly how much impact you'll be making, because this is my first time doing this kind of side-by-side comparison using this kind of high performance mode and boosting mode. Let's see. And extended RAM capability is also turned on in the Realme X1 Max, and I'm not using any kind of game turbo or game enhancement. The main reason is because if I use the game turbo and game enhancement, they will try to clear all the background applications and the games, so it's not possible for us to see always the RAM management. That's the reason I'm not using. So if you want, I can definitely use in the maybe next video, but this video I'm not using, friends. So just I did add only high performance mode in the Realme X1 Max. That's it. And first let me show you the exactly what kind of Wi-Fi connectivity I'm trying to connect at this moment, because you should know which Wi-Fi I connected at this point. And here's the Wi-Fi connection. I'm going to go back. Yep. And now both phones are connected to the 2.4 GHz only, exactly, as you can see. So both phones 2.4 GHz, perfectly done, connected to the same Wi-Fi. And now one more thing I need to do, I need to go to the process manager. I need to clear everything from the process manager as well. That's another new rule, not the performance manager. I think, yes, sorry. In the Realme X1 Max, I need to do every time. Not only in the Realme X1 Max, even in the Realme GT and other Realme phones, I need to clear deep clean. Only then it will be able to perform really good in the RAM management. And it helps also sometimes. High performance mode is turned on, and the extender and cable is also turned on. That's perfect. As you can see clearly, it's on. Right now let me try to clear everything from the background, so all the apps should be clean from the background, so no apps are running in the both phones. Exactly, perfect. Now let's see, friends, using the high performance mode, how much difference it can actually make in the Realme X1 Max comparing with the Poco X3 Pro device. So first let me try to open the Google Chrome application in both phones. So 1, 2 and 3. First Realme X1 Max. As you can see, we can see the instant reaction, not bad. First again Realme X1 Max. So it did help, the high performance mode definitely, but in the OnePlus Nord 2 it impacts a lot. Yes, the OnePlus Nord 2 is the one which can actually take the very good advantage of the high performance mode. Right now you can clearly see the notification as well, high performance mode is on. So this is going to be really interesting to see whether the Realme X1 Max can be the winner this time or not. But applications I can definitely see they are quite loading faster than the Poco X3 Pro device in terms of loading speeds. And right now I'm trying to draw some lines and keeping them in the background RAM management. And next is a Play Store. First Realme X1 Max did load this page, and next is the games. Let's see the games, which phone can actually open these games faster. So 1, 2 and 3. Subway Surf, here comes. Realme X1 Max did open the Subway Surf game slightly faster. Next is Standoff 2. So I did mention before in the other video, right? So if you use the high performance mode, definitely you will see the improvement, I mean in terms of the speeds. So I think the login was not successful before, that's the reason it was asking the login again. But I'll try to redo this one game one time. Let me try to redo this one, because it did ask the login, that's why. Sorry friends for the disturbance, and let's start again. Let's see. So right now the Standoff 2 game is loading in both phones. Let's see which phone will be able to load first. So 1, 2 and here comes the winner. First the Realme X1 Max, and then the Poco X3 Pro device. As you can see, friends, clearly what is happening at this moment. So if you use high performance mode in the Realme X1 Max, that will definitely boost the opening speeds as well. So whenever I need to do the speed test comparison, I'll always mention this thing, because if I don't mention, you won't know this kind of changes. Right now, as you can see, friends, it did open, not bad. in this phone. I like to keep this thing in the background RAM management as well. This Paragon's mobile game, similarly like this. I think there must be some problem with my account. And one next game is the Call of Duty. Let's see, Call of Duty game. Because whenever you use the config file and GFX tool, your account will get banned. Maybe that's what happened. So one of my dummy account got banned, so no problem. Now let's see the Call of Duty game, which phone can actually open faster. I think first did ask in the Poco X3 Pro device. Next in the Realme X1 Max device it did ask. But let's see the home screen login, which we can see the home screen. First the Realme X1 Max. And next the Poco X3 Pro device. As you can see friends, now these like steroids, the Realme X1 Max in terms of the performance wise. You can see how it's boosting the performance, I mean in terms of the opening speed. So that's the reason. So if in case if you're playing the Battlegrounds mobile game, if you're facing any kind of lag, try to use the high performance mode and try it. So maybe you may feel slightly kind of smooth while playing in high performance mode. That's what I can see. Free Fire also opened faster in the Realme X1 Max. So overall the clear winner is the Realme X1 Max in terms of the speed test. Now this time we need to check RAM management. That is another final exam for this both phones. Let's see which phone will pass this kind of final exam. And is the 5 applications and 5 games are completely open in both devices. Let's start with the last game. So let's come one by one from the back side. Call of Duty and Battlegrounds mobile game. It's completely open. So till 4 games you should not have any kind of issues. Till 4, yeah. So 4 games should be kind of absolutely fine. And when it comes to the Subway Surf, let's see Subway Surf 1, 2 and 3. Boom. Subway Surf got closed in the Poco X3 Pro. It's open in the Realme X1 Max device. So another extra point obviously for this phone. So in terms of the speed test, the Realme X1 Max won. Even in the RAM management also the Realme X1 Max did win. So Play Store instantly it did open, so not an issue. Next is regarding the touch sampling rate. I don't think this touch sampling rate will be there, but let's see. Yes, the Realme X1 Max did keep this touch sampling rate in the background RAM management. This is the Realme X1 Max, as you can see. So if you use high performance mode, maybe this might affect even the RAM management, but I'm not sure exactly. So here we go friends. Before it used to not open the touch sampling rate. If you follow my videos, you'll definitely understand. It used to not open, but right now it did open. That's another thing. Next is about the Flipkart. Let's see about the Flipkart application, whether it's open instant or not. Both phones kind of took some time, but the Realme X1 Max did open slightly kind of faster. Next is the Amazon application. Let's see this. You can see actually the phones. Live proof I'm trying to show you. Okay, and you can actually see the phones, and let's try to press 1, 2, 3, and both phones went to the home screen. So both phones doesn't have in the background RAM management, and finally Google Chrome also not there. So in terms of the speed test, Realme X1 Max. In terms of the RAM management test, Realme X1 Max, because of high performance mode. Yes, the high performance mode is impacting a lot in terms of the performance of opening and even the RAM management as well. That's the one thing which I did learn in today's testing. And thank you for watching this video. And in case if you have any other queries on these both phones, let me know in the comment section below. In the next time I'll try to come up with the 7 heavy games comparison, so then we'll be able to see which phone has got what type of performance levels. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video and let's straight for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.